ZANU-PF Youth League reject Wycliffe Chivayos proposed parliamentary donation. Kusangana kwatinoita zvakare pana pachannel yenyu Magaba News patinobata nhau dzinenge dzichiitika munharaunda nemunyika yedu yeZimbabwe tichiti sapotai YouTube channel yenyu yeMagaba News. Today taura tikabata nhau yechiitiko chikwata chinotungamirirwa navataurai kandishaya chinova chiri cheZANU-PF Youth League chonyora tsamba chichirejecta madonation akaiswa naMr Chivayo kuparliament inova iri mari inokwana kuita 3.6 million iri kunzi iri kupiwa maMP. So chikwata cheYouth League cheZANU-PF choya chichinyora tsamba chichizivisa vachivayo kuti hakuna zvinhu zvakadaro, mari haifanirwe kuendeswa ichidanzwo kuparliament ichipiwa maindividual. Mutsamba yavo vanyora vachizivisa ivo vachiti kana vaWycliffe Chivayos vane shungu mukuda kubatsira nyika yeZimbabwe, mari vanofanira kuibvisa mukubatsira muzvipatara, munzvimbo dziri kunetsa mvura nezvinhu zvakasiyana siyana zvadomwa nechikwata ichi. Zvaita kuti veruzhinji vaone kuti zviri kuitwa muZANU-PF hazvisi kufadza vanhu vese, zviri kuitwa nezvigananda. Veruzhinji votaura vachiti chikwata mutungamiri wechikwata ichi vanova vataurai kandishaya vari kushanda vari anda kuda kwachita gwirei, so vari kutumwa kuti vabloke Wycliffe Chivayos donation. Asi ndiyo tsamba yabva kumayouth ZANU-PF Youth League mureZimbabwe ichinyora tsamba inova iri tsamba yatakuisira pamufananidzo pascreen yamuri kuona. According to news in a statement that has sparked widespread discussion, the ruling party ZANU-PF Youth League has publicly addressed the reports that businessman Wycliffe Chivayos intended to donate 3.6 million to parliament. According to Youth League, well, they acknowledge Mr. Chivayos' rights to engage in philanthropic activity. They have made it clear that such contribution must be handled responsibly and in a way that respects the integrity of national institutions. The League emphasizes that individuals are free to support causes or community of their choice, but any form of contribution to a state institution should be approached with caution and transparent. The statement highlights a firm stance against any action, whether real or perceived, that could influence a key arms of government. Parliament, they are not, is a central pillar of democracy, representing the will, needs and aspiration of the Zimbabwean people. As such, it might remain independent and free from external pressure or influence that may compromise its role. The Youth League further suggests that if Mr. Chivayos wishes to contribute to national development, there are alternatives avenues available. Instead of channeling funds through parliamentary, they encourage directive investment in community development initiatives, and these could include projects that improve health care, education, water access and infrastructure, areas that directly impact our citizens' daily lives. Another point raised in the statement is the importance of maintaining ethical standard and public trust. The Youth League called on members of parliament to remain vigilant and to go to guide against any action that might bring the institution into disrupting, upholding accountability and transparency. The edge is ensuring to safeguard Zimbabwe's democratic system. The League also reaffirmed its broader role, not just as a political group, but as a representative voice of the nation. Youth, they describe themselves as a driving force behind national development, committed to defend democratic values and ensuring that political process reflects the genuine will of the people. Important, the statement expressed the strong confidence in the leadership of President Emmerson Mnangagwa, the ZANU-PF Youth League accredited his administration with maintaining stability, strengthening institutions, and guiding the countries towards its Vision 2030 goals. They pointed to ongoing development programs and government initiatives as evidence that the already has been merchandise in place to support his institution and representatives. In their views, Parliament does not require financial support in forms of a private donation. They add that it is already funded through constitutionally recognized merchandising, including government programs designed to support MPs and their works. Accepting a donation, especially in cash or similar form, could risk creating the perception that the institution is being influenced or swayed. The statement also highlights ongoing national development efforts, including infrastructure projects, rural development programs, and initiatives aimed at improving livelihoods across Zimbabwe. These, they say, demonstrate the government capacity to deliver meaningful progress without reliance on private contribution to Parliament. In conclusion, the ZANU-PF Youth League urged Parliament to decline the proposed donation. They stressed the importance of protecting institutional independence and maintaining public confidence in the country's democratic process. Well, acknowledging the roles of private citizens in national development, they emphasized that such effort must align with the established system and uphold the integrity of state institutions. As the discussion continued, this issue raised a broader question about the relationship between private contribution and public governance, and how the best to balance generosity with accountability in Zimbabwe involving political landscape. Muri Zimbabwe ndona uya tiri kutaura nauya vaWicknell Chivayo, mari yavo yorambwa nemayouth eZANU-PF vanova veYouth League, yoramba vachinyora tsamba vachiti havasi kubvumira, vari kutoti maMP ari kuparamendi rambai mari iyi. Asi tichitarisa kuti mayouth simba ravo rinoshanda here apa kana kuti richatadza kushanda, sezvo Wicknell Chivayo munhu anoshanda ari pedyo pavaMnangagwa, paanoita any donation zvinenge zviri pedyo kwavaMnangagwa. Saka zvinhu izvi zviri kuratidza kuti zvine kakupatsanurana. Vamwewo voti ZANU-PF Youth League iyi iri anda kuda kwashitagwirei, so vada kubloka kuti uyo amire madonation kuita kuma parliament, kuda kuti kuda kwashitagwirei vawane support yakanyanya nemadonation avari kuita kuma members eZANU-PF, kwete kuti Wicknell aite support yakanyanya. What's your take on this issue? What's your take on this news? Ndidzo news dzatati kabata pano pa YouTube channel yenyu yeMagaba News. Tokutenda nekutsigira YouTube channel yedu.